In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your TradingView chart back to the default view. Over time, your chart can get cluttered with indicators, drawings, settings changes, custom colors, and layout adjustments. Resetting it gives you a clean slate, just the candles and nothing else, so you can analyze the market with a fresh perspective. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open your chart on TradingView. If you've been adding indicators, drawing tools, or customizing layouts, you'll probably see a lot happening on your screen. Fortunately, TradingView gives you multiple ways to reset everything depending on what you want it to clear. Option 1. Reset a single indicator to default. If you only want to reset one indicator without clearing the entire chart, hover over the indicator name at the top of your chart. Click the settings icon. In the indicator settings window, find defaults. Click Reset Settings, then OK. This resets that one indicator back to its original state without touching anything else. Option 2. Clear all drawings and indicators. If you want to wipe everything off your chart in one click, look at the left toolbar and find the trash can icon. Click the small arrow next to it. You'll see three options: remove drawings, remove indicators, remove drawings and indicators. Choose remove drawings and indicators. Your chart will instantly return to the clean default look with only candlesticks visible. No moving averages, no trend lines, no clutter. Option 3. Reset chart properties to default. If your chart colors, backgrounds, or scaling settings got changed, go to the top right corner of the chart. Click the chart properties icon, the gear, sprocket, the symbol. At the bottom, click Template. Select Apply Defaults, then click OK. This restores all chart colors, backgrounds, and visual settings back to TradingView's default style. Option 4. Create a brand new chart layout. If you want a completely fresh environment, go to the top right corner, click the Manage Chart Layouts drop-down, the down arrow. Click New Chart Layout. TradingView will create a totally clean chart with no drawings, no indicators, and default settings. This is the most complete reset available. And that's it. Those are all the ways you can reset your TradingView chart back to default. Whether you want to clear a single indicator or refresh your entire layout, TradingView gives you the flexibility to clean things up instantly. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.